What is up, guys? Welcome to Swedes in a Boat, YouTube channel about fixing, driving, and enjoying a boat in Stockholm Archipelago. In this episode, I'm continuing working on my canvas. I'm going to put my canvas up here. I'm going to test it out and see how it works. So let's do it! Alright guys, I thought I planned everything super good doing my canvas now, but I didn't plan to charge my batteries, so I'm running out of power on my... What is up guys? I'm back at my little sewing den here and did some measurements on the boat. I had my problem with my battery. Battery is now charged, so that's nice. So now I'm gonna start doing the seam here, and I'm gonna show you that. Right, so what I got here is a side curtain for the port side. I'm gonna fold this dotted line here. I'm gonna fold it, and then it also takes a turn, and then goes straight for a bit, and then takes two turns around the corner of the aft of the boat. So I'm gonna fold that, make those creases. Here's open because of the it goes out a little bit. It comes from the radome, goes on the outside, snaps on the inside, goes out on the outside here, and then it takes a step out because of the gangway, and then it goes back and have these multiple folds. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So I have my line here. I'm going to fold against that one. I got my fasteners here. Make a fold there. One of my weights. These are becoming really handy. I had these for another project where I made my own barbecue, but these just came really handy to do this project. I'll come here to my corner where I have those two lines. So I take that line, get a little crease here. So I got following straight line here, turning up to my line there, and then coming to the third line and creates a little crease there. So put some pressure here, have those lines, can tape them up. So I'm actually using electrical tape that electricians use. I found it really cost effective, works pretty good. That's not really real sticky, doesn't damage what I've seen yet so far. It hasn't damaged the fabric, and pretty nice. Does the job for me. And I noticed when I used like a double-sided tape in the seams, that created like glue got stuck on the needle, and with that glue the thread got stuck on a needle and the thread started building up and I broke the needle. So I used this, tape it on the outside, and just go from there, and don't have it taped in my seams. Let's see how that works. If it doesn't work, then I have to redo it, I guess. But right, let's do this. And also it's quite elastic, so when I pull it out it stretches a bit. So I need to relax the tape before I put it down, otherwise that will create tension in the fabric. So I pull it and then release the tension in the tape, and then just tape my sides together. So now I get that profile I wanted. I usually start by making the seam on the outside here, work my way around, and then I take a seam about 5 centimeters there to strengthen the material for my fasteners. And from here somewhere there's going to be a line going up with a zipper connected to the aft part. Looks pretty good. Got the fastener markings within my limits here, and tape this down a little bit more. I'll go from there. And also, this is the same. If I accidentally sew into this one, the needle would clog up with glue, and that will create problems with the thread. Try not to have the tape close to where I'm going to put my stitches. Trying to avoid that part. And then the machine will press this together as I sew. Working my way around here. Nice and easy. Start sewing that one. Right, so I forgot to put double seam on this window, so I'm going to do that real quick. Guys, back at the boat, done some adjustments to my canvases. I have them right here, gonna set them up now. See how it fits, and do some more fasteners. Hopefully finalize this F part because I'm working with it way too long. And it's super nice weather right now. Super happy to be here and see you guys coming along. So let's start cracking this up. This tool is really bad. So what I did, placed this one with this one as a homemade tool. Put it on there, get it started. Bolt, a little better, and that's it. Without the original tool. This one was a little smashed up, but borrowing a neighbor's ladder. Hope he doesn't mind. In all fairness, he borrowed like tools from me, so I've been doing is to do some little stitches here and there and not sewing the whole zipper in one time, because I want to be able to, if it's something off, I need to adjust something, I can easily peel that off and cut that to the little threads instead of cutting the whole thing. So that's what I've been doing. I'm going to do it for both sides, and then I'm going to head out to the boat and hopefully finalize this aft part and get that done, and then starting on my bimini on the forward part. Right, need to measure out this triangle here. It's an offset here, with these buttons are more inwards on the boat and these are on the outer side of the boat. Can you use that? Yes, we can. Just cut it out, compare it, and stitch it in. Right guys, we're done with that, so let's head back to the house and finalize those pieces, and also fix that zipper over there that had that little offset, and also the lower corners down there to make them zippers go down all the way. Seems to be a little bend there, so I need to fabricate something like that to make that work better, and also get that bulky material away there. Gonna finalize that and also fix these little triangular pieces to put those together. We'll be ready with hopefully finally ready with that aft part. Right guys, been at the boat again. Tedious work, tedious work. At least now when you're coming down to interfaces between these parts, there's probably a million ways to do this. Perhaps not my way is not the best way, but you know, I'm doing it by myself. I have my boat closed. I can have these iterations and just make it work and hopefully get it done, because there are so many small adjustments. You come down to like doing those. There's so many small things. But no, I think I'm gonna finalize it hopefully in this video. And let's see how much time I have. A lot of other things I want to do on my videos as well. Not only like doing this canvas a million times, you know. So I'm back, hopefully for the last time. Test that aft part out and hopefully finalize that so I can start with my bimini and also the mid cabin. So let's get going. Really good. Check it out. So I made it turn. I turned that instead of going straight down, it turns in there. Now it's just I need to assemble this properly, but I think I'm going to keep it that way. That one's substantially higher up, isn't it? Yeah. This one's going to be like this. Tighten it up. That's pretty good. Gotta put more fastener down here. Move that one about 5 millimeters outwards. A little too tight there. So let's do that. It's over there. I think I'm happy with that one. With a fastener down there. Clip it down. Be pretty. Do the job. Tighten that up. And what I need to do more is, if I finalize that, cut these excessive zippers, end this in a nice way, make some stops for the zippers so I don't lose that. These turn out pretty good. Little bulky thing here, it's nice and tight. Same on the other side. Do the job. Perhaps a little too big gap there. Water coming in when you drive like super fast. What else? Finalize the zippers. Finalize the ends there in the corners. Put that button in. Snap on. I think that's it. Right, so besides those things I need to fix, pretty much done with the aft. I can start with my bimini and also with my mid cabin. So just finalize those things. I don't know if I'm gonna have that in my next video, or we just end here with that aft. Say that, well, it's done, it's good enough. Some small adjustments, some small finalizations. So please subscribe, guys. Hit that notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I'll see you in the next video where I just keep on going with my Regal 272 Commodore, upgrading it and perhaps making this a super modern boat. That is planned anyway, but how far we go and how long it will take, well, just gotta keep on pushing. So see you.